Hey, what's up guys? So in this video we will see how to use fonts for free on any Vivo phone. Now to do that, just open the Themes app on your smartphone. Now just select fonts at the top of the screen. Now as you can see, all these fonts are not free. As you can see. Now if you tap on purchase now, you can purchase this font. Or if you tap on get for free, you can get this font for free. Just tap on claim. And to get it for free, you have to watch a few ads. Just like that. Now as you can see, we have successfully applied this font on our smartphone. And this is how you can use fonts for free on any Vivo phone. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload a new video.